Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to unbox this new cover for the iPhone 14 over here. So finally I got this. I ordered this like a couple of days ago and I was waiting for this, so it's time to unbox this new cover for the iPhone 14. So here I got the scissors, so I'm just gonna cut this off just like this. Trying to do this quick thing because I'm very much excited for this. Okay, so here it is from Spigen, as you can see. Okay, this is nice. The unboxing experience is really cool, and this is how the cover box look like. So this is how the cover is. Actually, it is showing on the box. You can see. Now it's time to unbox this. I got this for around $8, so yeah, it's a good deal. Unboxing time. Okay, sorry, I unwrapped it inside the box. Okay, here it is. So this is how the cover looks like. Quality is good. It is MagSafe enabled cover, which is really cool, so I can attach different MagSafe accessories to it if I want to. So yeah, now it's time to change the cover over here. So I just hate this cover a lot. I mean, I hate these big borders. I don't know, for some reason I don't like this type of covers at all. That is one of the main reason why I am changing my cover, and it is also turning into a yellow color, which looks really bad. So yeah, it's time to change the color. That cover goes aside. It is neat and clean, solid cover, and yeah, I need to it's too dirty. My phone is really dirty, as you can see. So yeah, it's good. Let's put this into the cover. The moment of truth. Okay, this looks really nice, as you can see. Cover is really solid. It is little bit up from the screens, which will protect the screen. Okay, backside it is also protected the camera bumps, so which is really good. So yeah, this cover is really solid. This is going to be okay. Buttons are really cool. Buttons are really clicky. Buttons are really clicky. No emergency over here. Buttons are really clicky, which is really good. Buttons on this cover were really bad, but buttons on this cover are really good. So yeah, it's a good quality cover. Comes under $8, which is really good deal. Yeah, that's it from this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care, peace out, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because many more videos like this are coming on this channel. Peace out.